So here are my top 5 unpopular opinions about programming that I think are going to trigger at least some of you. Frameworks come and go. Do not focus too heavily on just one framework. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. You see this an awful lot with JavaScript. Number 2, when you are learning to program, web dev is just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more that you can do in programming. If you do not feel like being a front-end web developer is for you, that doesn't mean you shouldn't keep going at programming. There are a lot of other jobs out there, a lot of other options. Before you start programming in any new language, learn how to debug in that language. Make sure you understand how to read error messages and error logs and where to find the error logs. Number 4, use as few libraries as you can. The less third-party code that your software is dependent on, the better. Finally, number 5, JavaScript is not always the best option. Sure, you can use JavaScript to write a server backend. You can use JavaScript to write a mobile application. But should you? There are better options for most of those use cases. You will get better performance out of your mobile applications if you use a native language, and you will find that there are better options for backends as well. JavaScript is not the only language in this world, and certainly I'm thankful it's not.